Hey guys, it's me, just doing a video for you guys here today. Here is as you saw in the thumbnail, is Kit Kat matcha flavor, but it's latte. I did the matcha already. Let's see how they taste. The packaging is nice. It's good for the environment, this paper thing. This is plastic. This is, well, whatever, metal. Not as good. So it's, sorry, it melted a little. Yeah, I would definitely buy those again. Very good. Thank you for that. Yeah, I buy those again for sure. Remember to comment, like, subscribe, share the video, hit the bell icon to be notified every time I upload. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye, guys.